up, y'all? I'm about to show you the craziest thing Logic has done to their drums since the new update. I just recently updated to the new Logic. Check this out. This is crazy. So if you're like me, you never really use drum loops just because of the fact that you know, the drum loops don't really fit exactly what I'm fitting. I do like the sounds, but not exactly how they have it arranged. But check out this cool feature. So right here we have a drum loop. Pretty sick drum loop, but I like the sounds, but maybe you don't like it exactly how it's arranged. You can actually drag this into a new instance of Drum Machine Designer. No, not that way. So drag it to an empty zone. Go to Drum Machine Designer. Press OK. I had to read that for a second, see what was going on. Now if you look here, this is wild. Logic has each sound split up by the transients. I can't even speak because I'm so excited. Check this out. Kind of gives it a cool sound to it because it's not totally clean, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, Logic Pro update. If you don't have it, get it now because this shit is crazy.